Okay, this is for a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe with a 2.4 liter engine, but this applies to the Kias and a lot of Hyundai Kia vehicles that all use the same power plant. So to change your air filter, the first thing you do is open the hood. This is very simple. You can do it, I promise. This is where the air comes in, and it says right here, pull out to open. All right, so you fold that down. You'll see these tabs right here. Rotate them down. Grab right here. There's your dirty filter. And you take your new one. Slide it in. Lock the tabs. That's it. You're finished. Seriously, it's that simple. So one of the things, if you don't know which filter yours takes, now if you happen to have 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe, here's the part number. And Kia and Hyundai, same thing. Because here's the factory one that came out. This is the filter that came with the car from the factory. Where does it say? Oh, right here. You see right there, it says Kia 28113 A9100. So that if you don't know which filter your car takes, that it's similar to this, you can pop these open, pull it out, look for the part number. So it's a Kia filter. If you can see that, Kia filter. There's part number 28113 A9100. That's it. It's a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is how to change the cabin filter. So you open up the little compartment. Now if you can see right here, these little twisty things, you twist it. I've already done this one. And you pop this off. And this is gonna fold down, and all my wife's stuff's gonna spill out. But so there's these two tabs. Push them down. There's one here, and there's one right here. Push them down. This little door folds open. There's the thing. So you can reach in here, pull it out. It's real nasty. We'll put the new one in. On the filter, it'll have a thing that says, it's like a house filter. It'll say airflow. So it wants the airflow going from the top to the bottom. And so another way to think of it is the outside air comes through here inside. So if you're not sure, look and see which side of your old filter has the leaves. I pulled this filter out like this, so the outside air is on top. Gotta hold sorry I'm in the way, but it's picking it up, but I'm holding that door open, push the filter in. And it may come with this tab. This would face out. That's to help you pull it out. You just fold it up. See, I'm folding it up. And then that's it. Do that one, and then do the one on the other side, which y'all won't be able to see me do. So, the part number. Oh, here we go. I just used the Fram lookup, and this is the filter that I purchased. So you can just go to Fram Filters, put in your car, and it'll tell you which cabin filter to buy, and that's what I did. So another thing that'll save you a lot of money. Hope this helps you. See ya. Comes the other one.
Hello. I am the Stingray Whisperer.
Ah, must be.